Digital citizenship. First of all, what is digital citizen? A digital citizen refers to a person who has the knowledge and skills to effectively use digital technologies to communicate with others, participate in society, and create and consume digital content. Digital citizenship refers to the responsible use of the technology by anyone who uses computers, the internet, and digital devices to engage with society on any level. Characteristics of all good citizens: respect themselves and others, protect private information for themselves and others, stay safe online, stand up to cyberbullying when they see it happening, balance the time they spend online and using media, respect copyright and intellectual property, carefully manage their digital footprint. We are all digital citizens, so we have to consider these three things. Be safe means keep your password private, think before you click, and don't share your personal information. Be responsible means log out when you are done, use appropriate sites and searches, don't just copy, cite your sources. Be respectful, respect privacy of others, use polite language, do not bully or harass others. I am a digital citizen. When I am at school, I will use my personal device for educational purposes only. I will only use the assigned Wi-Fi network when I am at school. I will keep my device safe and secure at all times. I listen to my head. I will protect my private information and the information of others. I will log out and not share my login or password with others. I listen to my heart. I respect myself and others when I am online. I use kind words and remember that my digital footprint should not harm others. I stand up and say no to cyberbullying. I will tell an adult if someone is being unkind or harmful. I listen to my gut. I make sure that I am safe and appropriate when I am online. I will visit appropriate websites that promote learning and are for educational purpose. I will follow copyright laws and will remember to cite the sources I use for my projects. Means I will write the name of the resource from where I have downloaded the resources. Elements of digital citizenship. Digital digital access. Full electronic participation in society. That means access to digital tools including laptops, cameras, and internet. Recognizing individual needs and barriers to participate including special needs. Digital commerce. Online buying and selling of goods. That is, purchasing and selling items on auction sites and or online stores using digital coupons, and purchasing and downloading media through the sites like iTunes. Digital communication, electronic exchange of information, email, blog, social networking through Facebook and Twitter, instant messaging, texting, managing an online identity that is digital footprint, understanding privacy and public settings and situations when communicating online, impacts of online relationships compared to face to face. Next, digital literacy. Process of teaching and learning about technology and the use of technology. Digital ethic. Ways of conducting oneself in a digital environment. That is, using technology to reflect best qualities and codes of conduct. Using technology when appropriate. Respecting the privacy and right of others. Digital law. Responsibility for actions and deeds using electronics. That is, creating original works that are free from plagiarism, respecting the digital data and information of others, including copyright and Creative Commons. Bullying. No intentional malicious acts, including computer hacking, virus development, identity theft. Digital security. Electronic precautions to protect learners, staff, and organizations. Should follow acceptable use policies, using technology responsibly. Digital health and wellness. Physical and psychological well-being in a digital world. Balancing time spent online with time spent offline. Knowing stress injuries related to overuse, including eye strain. Digital rights and responsibilities. Freedom extended to those in a digital world. Keeping your devices and identities online secure by using safe private password. Protecting personal security by managing the personal information and posted online. So these are the 9 elements. Digital access, in short, full electronic participation in society. Digital commerce, electronic buying and selling of goods. Digital communication, electronic exchange of information. Digital literacy, teaching and learning about technology and its use. Digital ethic, electronic standards of conduct or procedure. Digital law, electronic responsibility for actions and deeds. Digital rights and responsibilities, those freedoms extended to everyone in the digital world. Digital health and wellness, physical and psychological well-being in a digital world. And digital security, electronic precautions to guarantee safety. So these are the 9 elements of digital citizenship. Thank you very much.